back from the gym, and as you can see, I'm still in my gym workout outfit, and I got something really exciting to share with you guys. I received a package this week, and I was waiting to open it. I was thinking about opening it this weekend, but I'm so excited. So let me show you. Okay, let's take it out, and it comes in a box like this. And guys, I am so excited. Let me show you what it is. I got a delivery from Ana Luisa, and you guys, when Ana Luisa contacted me and asked me if I would consider, I was super excited because I do love their stuff, and they asked me to be their brand ambassador, and I thought, oh my gosh, so exciting. So yes, I'm a brand ambassador. So weird to say it anyway. So yeah, I do like their stuff. So before I show you what it is, I mean, I have purchased from Ana Luisa, so don't think that I'm just, not buying their stuff as well. So this is something that I bought, and I actually really like it. This is one of the earrings that I bought, and I've got another ring. I think you've seen me wear this ring a few times in my video because I do love like jewelry and stuff. So this is one of the rings. I'll just wear it now. I think you've seen it. I think you guys will have seen it. And then these are the earrings that I also really love. Let me just wear one to show you. I love these earrings. I wear them for dinner or even just going out because I don't know, I really like these. These are the, I don't know the name, okay? I'll put it in the description box below, but look, it's really pretty, right? Okay, so I got a chance to pick some jewelry pieces, and it came super fast. Look, oh my gosh, let me show you the packaging. Okay, so the usual Ana Luisa packaging comes with this velvet pouch, and it's really good for traveling or just keeping your jewelry. But I selected this collaboration. It's Michelle times Ana Luisa, and look, it's green. I actually didn't expect it to be green, but that is so nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, and then I picked another one. So I've got two pieces of jewelry from them, and I'm so stop it. This one first, and gosh, these are so pretty. Look at that pearl. It is freshwater pearls. It's so beautiful. I'm not really dressed, but isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look, that is so cute. You know, like Chanel earrings, they have that pearl at the bottom and the two CCs. That's obviously like super high end. It's super expensive. I used to have a few, then I sold them for the donation. But this is a good alternative. That is really nice. I like it. Okay, let's open the next one. And I love this green baggie. It is so different from the blue one, and I don't know, this khaki green is really pretty. So these are necklaces, and I love necklaces, and I like this because it comes in a set of 3. See, so you can wear them separately or together, and I like this. This is like my kind of thing. Okay, so let me just take it out. Oh, that's really nice. Even just this too. Then you got this. Oh my gosh, I really love this set. Look at it. It's so cool. Obviously it doesn't go with the earrings, but yeah, look at that. I think I'm gonna wear this tonight for the Popiah party, but maybe not the earrings, but I think I'll wear this. I'm gonna link these pieces in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll also link the ring and the pair of earrings that I purchased myself. I'll also link those in the description box, and yeah, you can check it out. They are not affiliated, they're just easy links to Ana Luisa, and I also have a code. I don't get anything from the code, just something that Ana Luisa gave me as part of this program for you guys to get a bit of discount. I think it's like $10 off. So yeah, I'm excited. So let's start. at the choppings. This is how the turnip or sengkuang looks like after it's been chopped. I don't grate it like the carrot because my mom said we want a bit of bite in the popiah. So if you do it this way, it'll be very watery and it will be just like mashed up. But if you chop it pretty chunky, when you cook it, when I cook it later, you'll see it's gonna have a bit of texture. So we want to cook the garlic with oil first. I'm gonna put some minced pork. This is absolutely optional. You can make it full vegetarian if you don't want to use any meat. That's also fine. But if you use meat, it'll have a different taste. So that's what I want. My mom uses meat, so sometimes she doesn't. Depends. Then we'll start to add the turnip. Carrots. That's it. So now just have to keep stirring and it will reduce. It will turn brown and it will become much. So it's like really full right now and I've still got a lot, but I keep adding a bit and bit. And then you will see by the time it starts to turn brown and gold, kind of like a caramel color, it's basically done. So it'll take a bit of time because it needs to simmer. So this is the tau kwa done. What I did was I fried some garlic, minced meat, and then I added the fried tau kwa, which is fried tofu, which I did I think it was Saturday or Sunday. You can check that vlog out. And then I added the fish cakes. This is really for texture, so when you bite into the popiah, it will make it, it's as good as like springy, spongy. It's not really so much of the taste, it's mainly the texture. So this is like a texture dish. I also fried some egg and it's really thin slices. You can see thin slices and I'm going to be slicing them.
Everything is brought in from
Ayo, I missed that.
because I
missed
that. How to cook, right?
Grab a popiah. Watch. Oh wait. Like a leaf. Eat the leaf. Okay. Sweet sauce. Chili. More chili.
That's a lot of chili.
That's a lot of chili. Okay. This is the key. So put that. Don't be greedy. Take a bit of this. This is the tau kwa with minced meat. This is my favorite. This is the like the greens. And bake a bit of this. Oh, we need something for that. That's tauge. And
My Christmas tree has been asking for
okay,
Some
little bit of that. Okay.
Oh, she's got help with this now.
You can put peanuts as well. And are you ready?
Wrap.
Wrap.
Can you do this? Can right?
Yes. Too big, right?
No, the popiah is a bit dry. Skin is a bit dry.
Too dry the skin.
Yeah, as I said, not all of the TV so
Ooh. And
Oh, that's a big mouthful.
I can make and I put it here. So there's more space,
what are y'all doing?
Trust me guys,
Please don't break